No. Now I request Romanchak to please speak more about this whole concept, this campaign of Bamla Foundation.
Thank you, Miraj. A very good afternoon, I must say. So, thank you everyone for being here. And I'll tell you, because of such great people around and such an august gathering, the whole reason behind getting everyone together was especially saving our planet, saving the environment. And I would just like to say a few words about the man because of whom we all are here, which is Mr. Asif Bamla, who's been single-handedly for past 20 years, as of what I know, been working towards, especially this cause of saving environment, not about anything else. Pardon me if I've, ignored any of your other efforts, but what I know and what I've been associated with. So, may it be plastic pollution, air pollution, may it be anything. He's been working relentlessly with all the people from all walks of life, whether it is people from film industry, sports, or from everyone, And they've all been supporting him. And I think as the time goes by and as what he realized with the youth to whom he's going to hand over this entire planet, which is where he realized that collaboration with the young people, with the youth, is very important, which is we call the millennial. And I think it all started off with his daughter Seher, who's very much involved in everything. And I think that's where it's about 4 years ago when he met Tiger, when they did one of the Environment Day initiatives together. And I think they all connected there. And what they decided that let's together do this, thing. So today, I will go very specific. Why we are meeting here is we have been involved in all sorts of initiatives, whether it is about air pollution, water pollution, or planting trees. The core right now, whatever is happening to our planet right now, is that the calamities, why it is happening, because of the lack of forest, because of the development. So, because of the deforestation, they all realize that planting just single plants or sapling won't make a difference. We have to create forests. The whole idea of urban forest within the ecosystem is important. And that's where Tiger, himself came forward, and they both decided that let's start this initiative where we can create urban forests within our ecosystem, within the metro cities, which is what we are lacking. As we say worldwide, when we see a Central Park or a Hyde Park, which are the lungs of the country, city. So that's what they decided, that they will start with this initiative. And basis on the lines of a legendary man who passed away last year, Akira Miyawaki, a Miyawaki method, which is what they're going to follow. So this is just to communicate the intent why we are going at it. This is a long drawn process which will take another 2 years. But as what, Miyawaki said himself, that it grows 10 times faster. So probably in a year from now, we'll be actually seeing what we are dreaming of right now. So it is actually a dream come true for, the kind of team which we have here with their support. And he's a man of few words, but his work speaks volumes. So let me hand over the mic to the man because of whom we are here, the catalyst, Mr. Asif Bamla.
A big round of applause for Asif Bamla ji.
Thank you so much. I am so happy and excited that Eric is here. Finally, the man who is the tallest environmentalist, I think globally. And I'm very fortunate that he's here. In the last time, 5 years back, in New Delhi, we launched a campaign on plastic pollution. And the Honorable Prime Minister unveiled the campaign. I think, Mr. Eric, you're aware about that. And that was also a global campaign on plastic pollution. And it got tremendous, support from there. So we have with us on stage the man of the day, the man who's going to lead environment, who's going to be the face of environment, Mr. Tiger Shroff. A huge round of applause for him. We have Mr. R. Balki. I'm a very big admirer and a big fan of his films. A very huge round of applause for Mr. Balki. Mr. Balki has requested me that he won't be speaking, but I think people want to hear you too. You have a throat problem, okay. So we have Megha Tata ji from Discovery Channel. We have my friend, the Honorable Consul General of Norway. So it's a very august gathering. We have, as you all aware, that Bhamla Foundation, having completed 25 years in service in the fields of children, in the field of environment from past 15 years. I still remember the first World Environment Day. Tiger, let me also reiterate that this was 15 years back at Carter Road, and my very dear friend Jackie Shroff was one of the person to have had led that World Environment Day on Carter Road. I think few people here know about it. I think Irshad, आप लोग शायद गवाह हैं इस चीज़ के. So I've got a lot of evidences here with me. So, and now we're seeing Tiger coming here after 15 years. So when we started off, it was like, what are we talking about environment 15 years back? And now it's such a proud moment that we see the Honorable Prime Minister from the Red Fort talking about environment. We worked every year on the World Environment Day on various campaigns of air pollution, water pollution, plastic pollution, and last year, of course, biodiversity. And we have achieved tremendous success, and we are proud to have been working with the United Nations globally. And it's a proud moment for us. Eric, you're aware, we were awarded at the United Nations headquarters at New York for the exemplary success on plastic pollution. And this year we said, let us do a campaign. And when I spoke to Tiger, he said, Tiger has been a very passionate environmentalist at heart. I don't know how many of you are aware, but I'm sure you've seen quite a few of his campaigns on marathons and on greenathons. So he has been very passionate, and one day I just happened to speak to him and he said, Asif ji, I want to do something different. Normally tree plantations are held, and how many trees after they are planted remain is a very big question. I myself have planted, I don't even know the figures, how many trees, but then sometimes you realize that there are no more there. So with the existing arrangement, with the kind of forest fires, with the land that we're losing, you see the ancestors have, you see this Mother Earth has, if you see, the Mother Earth has given us so much over the years, and the way we have treated this, and I'm sure we're seeing the outcome of that over the years. So we decided that urban forests, in a place like Mumbai, I know it's very difficult, it's very challenging to have urban forests, but in places, in the rural belts and stuff, with Tiger being the brand ambassador, we'll be able to mobilize a lot of youngsters, because he's a youth icon. And I'm so thankful and fortunate that Tiger, you have endorsed this campaign. And this campaign will not just be confined to Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is going to be a global campaign. In fact, we are going to be working with the Ministry of Environment, Government of India. We'll be working with the ministry here in the state. We've already spoken with the Environment Minister here, Mr. Aditya Thackeray, as well. So it's going to be a combined effort. You see, to have a huge project like this, you have to work with the Mahanagar Palika, with the Member of Parliaments, and with the local arrangements here to ensure that the execution of this happens. Of course, let me also tell Tiger this, that we won't trouble you for a lot of things, because I know you're too busy and you've got too much to do. But all that area will be looked after us. But I am sure in days and years to come, we will try to, in this whole team, taking the administration into confidence and everybody, we will be able to envisage this dream which Tiger has always looked up towards environment. And we all look forward, with the support of all my friends here, to take this to the next level. Like any other campaigns of ours, I think this, by and large, till now, is going to be one of the biggest campaign. And once again, a very, very big applause to my friend Tiger, who very voluntarily has agreed, has supported this entire campaign till here, and for this entire 1-2 years. We plan to take this campaign very long, but we plan you to have our face of this campaign for life. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, Asif bhai. We need the youth to take the charge in future. Now, I would request Honorable Mr. Eric Solheim to please say a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's so good to be with you. I was traveling through large part of Mumbai coming here. What I saw was one of the most dynamic cities in the world. One of the most fascinating cities in the world. A city full of emotions and life and happiness. But I also saw a city which will benefit from going more green. For sure, you will benefit in the long run when you get a metro system here and when you get electric buses in Mumbai. But you will also in Mumbai benefit from more parks and urban forests. And that's why I'm so happy to be with Bamla Foundation today to launch this campaign. There's an enormous improvement in people's lives if they get closer to parks and green areas. In the United States of America, all posters and the number of research showing that those cities going green, they attract the best people. That's where people want to live. I'm also very happy to be with you, Tiger. I don't know you very well, I have to admit. But I believe that environmentalists very often fail from one reason. The message is only speaking to the brain, not to the heart and the guts of people. And sometimes it's incredibly boring. And a number of PowerPoint presentations which are done with the best of intentions, but don't really touch people. People like you can reach out and touch people in a completely different way. And that's why you are so valuable that you have joined this campaign. So I'd like to give you a vote of thanks for that. This comes at a time where there is huge environment progress in India. As Asif Bamla said, I worked with Prime Minister Modi 3 years back on fighting plastic pollution in India, which is horrendous, as everywhere else in the world. Prime Minister Modi promised that he would put a ban to all those plastic items which are not needed in India. I mean, can't you drink without a straw? Can't you have a meal with normal cutlery? Do you really need plastic cutlery? We all know the answer to these questions. And now Prime Minister Modi has lived up to his promise. It's a very good quality of a politician. You promise something and you keep it. And all these single-use plastic items will be prohibited in India. Bravo for Prime Minister Modi and all the other leaders who have achieved this. For sure, you will benefit in the long run when you get a metro system here and when you get electric buses in Mumbai. But you will also in Mumbai benefit from more parks and urban forests. And that's why I'm so happy to be with Bamla Foundation today to launch this campaign. There's an enormous improvement in people's lives if they get closer to parks and green areas. In the United States of America, all posters and the number of research showing that those cities going green, they attract the best people. That's where people want to live. I'm also very happy to be with you, Tiger. I don't know you very well, I have to admit. But I believe that environmentalists very often fail from one reason. The message is only speaking to the brain, not to the heart and the guts of people. And sometimes it's incredibly boring. And a number of PowerPoint presentations which are done with the best of intentions, but don't really touch people. People like you can reach out and touch people in a completely different way. And that's why you are so valuable that you have joined this campaign. So I'd like to give you a vote of thanks for that. This comes at a time where there is huge environment progress in India. As Asif Bamla said, I worked with Prime Minister Modi 3 years back on fighting plastic pollution in India, which is horrendous, as everywhere else in the world. Prime Minister Modi promised that he would put a ban to all those plastic items which are not needed in India. I mean, can't you drink without a straw? Can't you have a meal with normal cutlery? Do you really need plastic cutlery? We all know the answer to these questions. And now Prime Minister Modi has lived up to his promise. It's a very good quality of a politician. You promise something and you keep it. And all these single-use plastic items will be prohibited in India. Bravo for Prime Minister Modi and all the other leaders who have achieved this. There's many other areas of progress. I can mention green hydrogen, where again the Prime Minister just launched a huge scheme with some of the giants of Indian business, some of the tycoons here, Mr. Ambani, Mr. Adani and others, putting huge amount of money on the table while the Prime Minister is driving it politically. And 1 week back, I was with Aditya Thakirai, so many of you know, the Minister of Environment of the great state of Maharashtra. What did he do? Launching the electric buses scheme for Mumbai. Again, great news for the people of Mumbai, but also great news for the world. Very soon Mumbai will be run by electric buses and electric buses only. Then how do we green the planet? Because that's what the part this scheme is all about. I think there are 3 things we need to do. Number 1, let's protect what is already there. Let's protect all those rainforests and forests which are already there. We cannot cut down something and then build up the same somewhere else. And here there is some very good news. Indonesia, second biggest rainforest nation in the world, now has brought deforestation to 0. Why? Good policies of the government of Indonesia, responsible business of the business of Indonesia, and citizens saying, we want this to happen, please follow us. Then we need to do tree planting at big scale. State of Telangana in India is a lead state here. They have now made 3% increase in the tree cover of Telangana. Fantastic progress and a world-class achievement. In China, President Xi Jinping has promised that China will do as much tree planting every year from now to 2030 as the size of the Kingdom of Belgium. Well, Belgium is not the biggest power in the world, but the landmass of Belgium is still significant, and if China can do that amount of tree planting every year, it's hugely significant to the world. And by the way, so many other nations are now embarking upon the same. And then we have urban forests. Well, the mass of urban forests will not be the biggest because there are small pieces of land inside cities. But the importance to people is enormous, because an urban forest make an area where you can walk, where old people can sit and chat, where youngsters can go around playing. So it's an enormous improvement of the livelihood. Added, it brings biodiversity, animals, insects, all this back to the city in a very nice way. Adding to that, it's good for climate and the big issues of the planet. And adding to that, trees also keep a city cool. There's an enormous difference with a city with trees and a city without trees when it comes to keeping cool. And frankly, most Indian cities are pretty hot. Mumbai is not like Delhi, but still it's a hot city. And tree planting makes it cooler, and which is good for people. And we now see a huge movement for urban forest all over India. Day before yesterday, I was in the city of Bengaluru. There, an organization called Say Trees have made 35 urban parks just in the city of Bengaluru. A couple of days before, I was in Pune, where Terre and other civil society organizations have made some beautiful city forests. And you see this in Ahmedabad, in Chennai, in many cities. But it's very great. The Bamla Foundation will put itself as a lead entity in making this happen, for sure Mumbai, but also all over India. We need more urban forest. The concept of the Miyawaki is great, but of course you always need to look into what you plant, make sure it lasts long, make sure there is biodiversity in what you plant, and normally plant indigenous species. They are the best to grow, not something imported from somewhere else. But I'm sure you are aware of all this and will do it in the right way. So let me just conclude by saying this is a great initiative. I wish you all succeed. Please, Tiger, communicate this to many Indians, and please bring them up to the actual tree planting. That's also a huge way of creating jobs. And it's also a huge way for people to mobilize the civil instinct that I want to do something for India and for the world. So, urban forest, and I'm looking back to come here in a few years' time to visit some of the urban forests you together have achieved.
Friends, we've requested Tiger to just have a question answer session. But my very humble request is that the question answers have to be just confined for environment. इस विषय के आगे टाइगर्स को फिल्म्स के लिए आप लोगों ने बहुत बार इंटरव्यू किया होगा, आप लोगों ने बहुत बाइट्स ली होगी, लेकिन चूंकि इस बार एक अलग काम के लिए एक अलग विषय को लेके ये आए, तो कृपया करके पर्यावरण से संबंधित जो भी प्रश्न हो वो ही किया जाए, अन्यथा वो विषय हम यहाँ ले नहीं सकते क्योंकि इट्स लिटिल इट इज़ कन्फाइंड टू एनवायरनमेंट. ये जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है सिर्फ पर्यावरण से संबंधित है, तो आप जो पूछना चाहे प्रश्न टाइगर जी को पर्यावरण से संबंधित प्रश्न करें. धन्यवाद.
So I will pass on the mic, and as Mr. Bamla said, just please keep it to afforestation and धरती की बातें करते हैं, हरी भरी बातें करते हैं, and that's it. Nothing apart from that. So yeah, my media friend.
सबसे पहले तो भामला फाउंडेशन को और यहाँ पर जितने भी डिग्नेटरीज हैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. टाइगर, माय क्वेश्चन इज टू यू. Your association with Bhamla Foundation, as Asif bhai said, your dad 15 साल पहले जुड़े थे और आप वो लेगेसी को थोड़ा आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. तो how does it feel, taking this legacy ahead, and something about the environment, like, what would you really love to work on, any particular project of?
Very, very thankful to Asif ji for, having me a small part of this campaign, and privileged to be amongst all these esteemed guests. I don't want to pat myself on the back of, being the face of this initiative or anything, because I think it's a no-brainer. I think each one of us are responsible for our planet's future, and climate change is rampant. Climate change is real. It's the immediate threat. I know we're all very, caught up on Corona right now as well. We're doing a very good job fighting, being responsible citizens. But I think the bigger picture right now is the environment as well is, climate change is the need of the hour. The attention to that is the need of the hour as well. So very, very happy that you have me on board for this, and will do my best to, make a difference, a small change. I mean, it starts in our house, guys, by switching off the lights, saving water. Just trying to be responsible. Each one of us have the power in our own houses to make a difference. So really, it's not about just planting one tree. I think what's amazing is the whole concept of afforestation, where we get to plant complete, full, lush forests rather than just one sapling. I think it's time to do these things in bulk, and it's not just about our country. I think it's about the whole world and our whole planet. So thank you once again for having me on board, sir.
Thank you. Can I have the next question, please? Yeah. Please pass the mic for the picture.
Hi, Tiger.
Hi.
So it's Priyanka here. So I would just want to say, talking on environment, so we can save the pollution and all, so how come cycling is a very good exercise?
Cycling is a very good exercise?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, why
so
not?
you can promote cycling also with the MMA.
I mean, sure, yeah, that makes perfect sense, yeah. Cycling, walking, especially if the distance from your house to your work or wherever you want to go to is close by, then why not? That's a good point, yeah. Nice.
Thank you very much. Can I have the next question, please?
टाइगर हाय या
जी सर.
टाइगर, पर्यावरण की जो हालत देश में है और पूरे वर्ल्ड में है, कितनी चिंता की बात है. अगर हम नहीं संभले और हमने उस तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया तो कितना वरी करती है ये चीज़ आपको, कितने कंसर्न है आप इससे कि बदलाव आना चाहिए और पर्यावरण पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान, खासकर आज के यूथ को जो इतना अवेयर नहीं है, जो अपनी ही दुनिया में रहता है, उनके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो लोग ध्यान दें.
Awareness तो काफ़ी है, everybody's educated. It's all about converting that education and that into practicality and actually doing the action of going out there and making a difference. जैसे मैं कह रहा था, it starts in your house. So the smallest things you do in your house, whether it's saving your electricity, saving water, minimizing the usage of all these things, I think it's really going to benefit us in the long run.
टाइगर, जहाँ पर एनवायरनमेंट की बात हो रही है तो देश भर में 100 करोड़ लोग वैक्सीनेटेड हो गए हैं, तो आपको लगता है कि कान्हा का ये कामयाबी हासिल हुई है?
बिल्कुल सर, एंड आई थिंक इसी तरह अगर हम लोग एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर भी इसको फॉलो करेंगे तो आई थिंक यू नो पीपल आर अवेयर, पीपल आर डूइंग फॉलोइंग थ्रू विद द रूल्स एंड बीइंग रिस्पॉन्सिबल. आई थिंक व्हाई नॉट अप्लाई द सेम थिंग फॉर आवर एनवायरनमेंट.
हाय टाइगर. टाइगर, जब हम ऐसा इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा बनते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. हम सोसाइटी में अलग तरीके से देखे जाते हैं, जाने जाते हैं, और अक्सर हमने सेलिब्रिटीज़ को देखा है ऐसे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा तो बनते हैं बट कहीं ना कहीं वो जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाते खुद को. तो आप कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मानते हैं कि आप इस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी बढ़ जाती है इनिशिएटिव के बाद?
सर, जितना मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ उतना ही आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो. आप भी रह रहे पृथ्वी में, यू नो, वे ऑल members of this planet Earth, and I think it's our responsibility as citizens of this planet to really look after our planet in every small way we can, and the small things make a very big difference collectively. So yeah.
And yes, you will see the difference when Tiger is there. Afforestation, arboriforest in Mumbai city is a challenging job, but obviously Tiger Shroff being the face is going to be a lot of change in the temperature of Mumbai actually, where we have these small patches which is going to be converted into urban forest, and colleges like National College Jamnabai have been part of it already, and this campaign goes for years. It's just not one day or a 1 month or a 6-month campaign. It's a whole long thing, and obviously small things like Tiger, you said, it's very, very important actually, because we have good numbers. India is the population, the number of India, and everyone doing little bit will bring a lot of change. And for that, I think Tiger is the one to take this particular thing. Now, I would... any more questions?
I always say that we've borrowed this planet from the future generations in a way. And the millennials, they are very concerned because हमारे पूर्वजों ने मुझे याद है ये जैकी जी की बात कि उन्होंने I don't know if I sent you this also कि भाई ये बिड़ू, ये पर्यावरण है, इसको हमें संभालना है, अच्छे से रखना है, टाइगर के बच्चे हैं उनके लिए संभाल के रखना है. So that says it all. I mean, our predecessors have given us this entire environment in a very nice and a very healthy and a congenial way. Are we going to give it back? Are we in a position to give it back to them in a similar way? And let me tell you, there is a very large concern amongst the millennials because उन्हें इस पर्यावरण में, इस धरती पे ज़्यादा रहना है, तो उन्हें इसकी चिंता बहुत है. और हम ये देखते हैं कि अभी जैसे अभी कल हमारा एक बीच क्लीनिंग ड्राइव हो रहा है कार्टर रोड पर. हम सिर्फ अनाउंस करते हैं और बीच क्लीनिंग के लिए अगर आप देखें तो 500 वॉलंटियर्स जमा हो जाते हैं. हमें कोई किसी को निमंत्रण नहीं होता, देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो कहने की बात यह है कि जो अगला जो जनरेशन है ये बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न है, और चूँकि ये नौजवानों के लिए हमें एक ऐसा रोल मॉडल चाहिए था जो जिनको who people can look up to. So when we discussed, there was no better and no bigger face than Tiger. So we are happy that he's part of it. And I think now Tiger has to leave. So last एक question जिसको पूछना है वो करने के बाद Tiger will unveil the campaign and then he'll say a few words and leave, please.
Okay, I think we're done with the question, and I request Mr. Asif Bamla, Seher, to please come on stage and give a small sapling to Mr. Eric Solem. Seher, to please come on stage and sapling. Yes. And Asif bhai, it's youth against youth. So I would request Seher to please present this small sapling to Tiger Shroff as well. And Asif bhai also please join the president. Yeah, just be there only, sir. I would request Seher to please present a small sapling to Mr. R. Balki ji.
Recycling saplings?
Very popular, Mr. R. Balki ji. And through the opportunity of giving a plan to Megha Tata ji. Well, a guest from Norway. Seher, do the honors for Mr. Flolo, giving him a small sapling. There it is. There, Seher. And just one request, if you just hold the sapling, and let's have a nice photo op with saplings in your hand. It would really create, for the media. And the message actually, urban forest is, this is, जैसे टाइगर ने कहा कि हम अपने घर से शुरुआत करते हैं, ये हम झाड़ अपने घर पे रखेंगे. We get some, breathe out of it, some good oxygen out of it. So this photo, sir, you also hold one. So pick up the white one, yes. Yeah. Yeah, and now I request Tiger Shroff ji to please unveil this entire campaign on afforestation and urban forest. A small placard to be unveiled. Sir. Sohail, उनको आने दो. Let's just, आप उसको open. Yeah. हाँ, मैं एक सेकंड मैं करता हूँ. राजू, ये टेबल नीचे कर दो ना प्लीज. शिरीष, ओके. राजू, ये टेबल हटा लो, नीचे कर लो प्लीज. ये भी ले लो टेबल. दोनों हाथ से पकड़ के ना, देन वी विल अनवील द कैंपेन. आराम से, दोनों साइड से पकड़ना प्लीज. नीचे डाउन, नीचे रख लो. हाँ, उसके नीचे. दूसरा टेबल भी नीचे रख दे. I would request Mr. Eric Solom and Tiger ji to please open the knot, and Asif, just open the knot. So big round of applause for, I think there is two, there's one more. So अब हर जगह झाड़ लगेगा, और जब झाड़ लगेगा तो बहुत सारे झाड़ लगेंगे, सिर्फ एक झाड़ नहीं लगेगा. This is what the pledge we take today. Tiger being the campaign, the Bamla Foundation, the entire team, the patron of the Bamla Foundation will find the spot and will make sure that we give that spot, the green spot. And Tiger, just to tell you, the Madam Neha Jagtari from National College was the one to look, okay, I'm giving all my place to convert into urban forest, and a lot of the projects we're going to be starting from National College, and obviously many other colleges and universities being part of it. So we already started the campaign. This was an official inauguration which we want to do. From tomorrow onwards, each and every Eco Champs, Bamla Foundation volunteer is going to be working on this, and we will deliver and show Mumbai. We'll get down the temperature. We will create parking canopies of trees in Mumbai. And this media is going to cover that for sure. Now I would request Tiger Shroff to please say few words in the association. Just last, thoda sa. Okay, sir.
Once again, thank you everybody for joining us this afternoon. Thank you very much, Asif Bamla ji, for having me here. Very, very privileged and honored. Again, I'm not patting myself on my shoulder. I'm not doing this for my PR. I'm doing this for the environment. And I hope each one of you make a difference, starting with your homes, like I said. So thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for letting me do this with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tiger ji. By the time, sir, you need to give vote of thanks, please. We have the Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Arvind Sawant ji also. Arvind Sawant ji, this is the right time you came. आप सब चीज से बच गए, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा. Just at the photo of Arvind Sawant ji to please come on the dais. Okay.
we have the Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Arvind Savantji.
I request all
can
members to kindly
can
be
I
seated.
request you to
Tiger is,
please come here
about
on
to
the
leave.
stage? A very big